Have you ever found yourself staring at a long list of GPU specs, wondering which one will give you the best bang for your buck? It's a familiar struggle for gamers and content creators alike. Choosing between AMD and Nvidia has never been an easy decision. And now, with the release of the AMD RX 7900 XT and the Nvidia RTX 4080, the debate is more heated than ever. Both GPUs promise cutting-edge technology, impressive raw power, and advanced features that push gaming and creative workflows to the next level. But when it comes down to making a decision, which one truly reigns supreme? Today, we're diving deep into this battle, comparing performance, architecture, ray tracing capabilities, AI-driven enhancements, power efficiency, and overall value. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which card is the right choice for you. To understand the true difference between these two GPUs, we need to start with their architectural foundations. AMD's RX 7900 XT is built on the revolutionary RDNA 3 architecture, marking a significant departure from previous designs. Inspired by AMD's success with Ryzen processors, RDNA 3 introduces a chiplet design, essentially breaking up the GPU into smaller modules rather than relying on a single monolithic die. This approach optimizes manufacturing efficiency while keeping costs down, allowing AMD to pack in 24 GB of GDDR6 memory with a 384-bit interface. The result? A GPU that excels in high-resolution gaming and professional workloads, offering improved efficiency and power distribution. On the other hand, NVIDIA's RTX 4080 is powered by the Ada Lovelace architecture, focusing heavily on AI-driven performance enhancements and ray tracing. With its third-generation ray tracing cores and fourth-generation tensor cores, NVIDIA has refined the gaming experience even further. One of the biggest highlights is DLSS 3, an AI-powered frame generation technology that significantly boosts performance in supported games. The RTX 4080 comes with 12 GB of GDDR6X memory on a 256-bit bus, prioritizing efficiency and intelligent optimizations to deliver smooth and consistent performance. But what does all this mean for real-world performance? Let's break it down across different resolutions and gaming scenarios. At 4K Ultra settings, demanding titles put these GPUs to the test. In Cyberpunk 2077 with Ultra Ray Tracing enabled, the RX 7900 XT manages 38 FPS, while the RTX 4080 pulls ahead with 52 FPS. However, in Assassin's Creed Valhalla, which relies more on rasterization than ray tracing, the RX 7900 XT edges out the competition, delivering 72 FPS compared to the RTX 4080's 65 FPS. This trend continues at 1440p, where AMD's broader memory bandwidth helps it shine in traditional rasterized titles like Call of Duty, Warzone, hitting 144 FPS compared to NVIDIA's 130 FPS. However, in ray-traced environments, NVIDIA still leads, making the RTX 4080 a better choice for those prioritizing visual fidelity. Ray tracing has become a major factor in gaming, redefining realism with lifelike lighting, reflections, and shadows. NVIDIA has long been the leader in this field, and the RTX 4080 continues that tradition. Games like Control and Cyberpunk 2077 benefit greatly from its dedicated ray tracing cores, delivering breathtaking visuals without a massive performance hit, thanks to DLSS 3. AMD has made significant improvements with RDNA 3, but its approach is still more software-reliant, meaning it doesn't quite match NVIDIA's hardware-driven acceleration in the most demanding scenarios. For gamers who prioritize immersive, ray-traced experiences, the RTX 4080 remains the superior option. Speaking of AI-driven enhancements, DLSS versus FSR is another crucial aspect to consider. NVIDIA's deep learning supersampling, DLSS 3, utilizes neural networks to generate entire frames, dramatically boosting performance without sacrificing image quality. AMD's Fidelity FX Super Resolution, FSR2, follows a similar principle but relies more on software integration, leading to inconsistent results across different games. When supported, DLSS 3 consistently outperforms FSR2, making the RTX 4080 a clear winner for AI-powered performance improvements. Now let's talk about power efficiency and thermals. High-performance GPUs demand intelligent power consumption and effective cooling solutions. The RX 7900 XT draws about 355 W, while the RTX 4080 is significantly more efficient at 260 W. NVIDIA's superior architecture allows it to deliver comparable or better performance while consuming less power, translating to lower electricity costs and reduced heat output. Additionally, the RTX 4080 runs cooler under load, thanks to improved thermal solutions and a lower TDP. In contrast, the RX 7900 XT requires a robust cooling setup, making case airflow and PSU capacity critical considerations for those opting for AMD's flagship. Beyond raw performance, the software ecosystem plays a vital role in daily usage. NVIDIA's GeForce Experience simplifies game optimization and driver updates, while NVIDIA Broadcast enhances streaming with AI-powered tools. AMD's Radeon software provides granular control over settings, but has historically faced occasional driver stability issues. Overall, NVIDIA's software suite remains more polished and user-friendly, offering a seamless experience for both gamers and content creators. Of course, real-world gaming experiences often tell a different story than benchmarks. In expansive open-world titles like Horizon Forbidden West, AMD's RX 7900 XT excels, leveraging its larger memory bandwidth to render vast landscapes smoothly. Meanwhile, NVIDIA's RTX 4080 delivers an edge in games like Watch Dogs, Legion, particularly when ray tracing is enabled. For competitive shooters, both GPUs provide high frame rates, but NVIDIA's latency-reducing technologies may give it a slight advantage in esports scenarios. Price and long-term value are also crucial factors. The RX 7900 XT generally offers better price-to-performance value, making it a compelling choice for budget-conscious gamers who still want high-end power. However, as gaming technology continues to evolve, future titles are expected to lean heavily into ray tracing and AI-driven enhancements. This means NVIDIA's RTX 4080 may have a longer lifespan in terms of supporting cutting-edge graphics technologies. AMD, however, ensures compatibility with next-generation APIs like DirectX 12 Ultimate, maintaining solid performance for upcoming releases. So, which one should you choose? If you prioritize high-resolution gaming, large memory capacity, and cost efficiency, the RX 7900 XT is an excellent choice. But if you're looking for the best ray tracing performance, AI-powered features, and future-proofing for next-gen titles, the RTX 4080 is the superior option. Either way, both GPUs deliver incredible power, ensuring smooth gameplay and exceptional visual fidelity for years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.